Hello my friends, and in today's video we'll take a closer detailed look at this 2013 Mercedes E350 4Matic Coupe. It is equipped with keyless entry, frameless doors with power locks, power windows and power mirrors with blind spot assist, and power seats with 3-person memory settings. Outside color is black with black leather interior and walnut wood trim. Mercedes door seal plates. Driver's seat has an additional adjustment for shaping the seat. The gauge cluster has the driver's information display in the middle of the speedometer, tachometer on the right, and a large clock on the left. And now let's get the key and let's start the engine. This is how the key looks like. Dual zone climate control with digital temperature indication and the fan speed. Seven-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and steering wheel pedal shifters. Central console also has a controller for the Mercedes command screen. Middle console storage, it is padded and also has USB and iPod inputs. Controls for your heated and ventilated front seats and also rear window power shade. 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls on the right and driver's information display controls on the left. By the driver's left knee you will find the automatic headlight controls and the parking brake. In order to engage the parking brake you need to push the pedal and then pull the handle to release. The cruise control is the separate handle here on the steering wheel column. And the steering wheel column is power tilt and telescopic. The glove box is padded and illuminated. And the central part of the front panel is the Mercedes command system that includes navigation with real-time traffic data. It also includes AM, FM and Sirius XM satellite radio, CD, MP3 and DVD player, and it is the screen for your rear view camera as well. The front seats are heated and ventilated. And the frontal part of the roof has the controls for the interior light and the sunroof. And this is it for the driver's seat, so let's now open the hood and check out the engine. This 2013 Mercedes E350 4Matic Coupe, equipped with 3.5-liter V6 engine with direct injection that produces 302 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. MPGs are 19 in the city and 25 highway. Bi-xenon headlamps with headlamp washers. 18-inch AMG alloy wheels with 4-wheel disc brakes and perforated rotors. And now let's check out the back seat. It is coupe, so little to none legroom expected here. And my height is 6'2", and sitting right behind myself, this is how much of legroom I have. And the last thing is the trunk. It is pretty good size with a compact size tire under the floor and collapsible back seats. Alright guys, that was my short tour of this 2013 Mercedes E350 4Matic Coupe. I hope you liked this video, leave your comments below, visit my channel for more, and see you next time.